So here I am on top of a roof in Florida. I'm doing dryer vent cleaning. I just wanted to share with you guys the importance of cleaning your dryer vent roof vent, because this is the #1 problem I see when people can't use their dryer, or it's giving them a code, or it's just taking really long. So look at this. This is completely blocked by a huge piece of lint. Customer was saying they were getting a error code because their clothes weren't drying. Well, when this is like this, none of the air can come out, and then the dryer overheats. It could damage the internal components of the dryer, and then if it gets too hot, it could light the dryer on fire. If the dryer gets filled with lint, which it probably will because the lint has nowhere to go. So now there's a couple of things you could do. The easiest one is just have a professional or clean it out yourself every single year. The other thing that you can do is get a better roof jack. These ones aren't the best. They're crimped. They're really small. The dampers could get damaged. So we sell a much bigger one with a much better damper. So that's one thing. Another way these get clogged is people put screens, or they leave the screens on because they think that is going to help keep animals out. But with the screen right on the edge, it will clog up the vent really badly. So there's a couple of things you could do to keep animals out. #1 is to make sure your damper's good. But it's hard with a vent like this because the dampers are really flimsy. They're held on with these rusty little pins. So you could build a cage around it. That's the best way to keep animals out for sure. Or with the new style roof jacks that we recommend, then you won't be dealing with that problem because there's a really good damper that's impossible for the animals to pull up and use. So those are the ways to keep your dryer vent on the roof safe. If you hire someone to clean your dryer vent, make sure that it's included in the price, or it's not too much extra for them to go on the roof, because this customer had another company come and they still couldn't use their dryer because the company said they didn't go on the roof. And as soon as I went on the roof, I found the problem and I'm able to get their dryer working for them.